You hungry? Let's make a snack. In my hand, I have 6 pieces of chicken, half white, half dark. Let's season it. First thing you want to add is a little bit of sazon, not made by Goya. Next, a little pinch of kosher salt, fresh cracked black pepper, a little bit of herbs de Provence, or Italian seasoning, a little bit of dried fennel. I got a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of garlic powder, adobo, a little bit of onion powder. Now I'm gonna get in here and mix this all around until each piece looks something like this. Now, to bring the whole thing together, I'm just gonna add in some buttermilk. We'll give this one more toss. I'm gonna add in some all-purpose flour. One of the ways I get chicken super crispy is by adding cornstarch. The ratio is 2 parts flour and 1 part cornstarch. Now all you wanna do is give that a good mix. Put the chicken into the flour mixture and make sure you get the flour all into the nooks and crannies of this chicken. Shake off the excess and then right into the hot oil. For the sauce, I'm gonna start by adding in some honey. Now, to the honey, I'm gonna add in a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and it don't even matter who squoze it. And the last ingredient, I'm gonna add in some lemon pepper seasoning. Give that a mix. Now, all you gotta do is bow your head and say grace. Grace. That is so good.